Well, hello and welcome again to Edison Light Globe's video. Today, just a short video. I thought we might talk about a special globe that we've been using recently. This is the C100 10 watt, 11 watt, I can't remember, 10 watt LED. Now this is a specific globe we use particularly for industrial shades. Now this is a really thick glass, fairly bright, warm, very warm globe. But what we use this globe and why this globe is special is that it is designed to fill a vintage type shade. So a lot of these shades, these industrial shades, are quite large, and we often see small globes inside and they look a little bit insignificant. So I think it's probably best to work with a globe in these fittings that suits the scale of the industrial shades. Now, originally these were fairly bright globes. They were used for factories and warehouses and that sort of thing. So they were a very big, bright globe that was designed to dissipate heat, a few things like that that made it apparent to use this type of globe. Now, this isn't a factory globe. This will not light a large factory. This is for use where now these get used, which is as an industrial style in a commercial setting, in a restaurant, a hotel, a bar, or whatever, or even in a house, domestic situation where you've got a bit of room. That's where they get used. But we still think the shape of the globe is important. They also use them in these old ship lights, because as you can tell, they're about the right size and scale, again, to fit inside those products. Now, this is actually a derivative of the original globe that was invented, I don't know how long ago, with a bamboo filament and everything. Those really old Edison globes. So it's the same sort of shape, the idea of this type of globe. This is the original shape light globe. So it stands to reason that we would probably remanufacture this globe. I'm going to turn this on and hopefully that will all work. The difficulty with the video is explaining the brightness and also the colour. So this is going to be fairly bright on the video, but it in fact is just barely you're barely capable of looking at it without squinting. It's not too bright, but it's pretty bright. So it will do a good job inside an enclosed fitting. I'm going to turn that off. It'll do a good job inside an enclosed shade because it's got a little bit of power, but it's still quite warm, even though maybe on the video it doesn't show that well. So anyway, here we have it, the E27 240 volt 10 watt, he doesn't know, 10 watt 2200K vintage C100, the perfect globe for the larger light fitting. Now we might be doing these, I think we've ordered these to be made in 120 volt E26, but what with the virus thing, the pandemic and all that, we are struggling to get anything from anywhere and get anything in on any vessel or aeroplane. So it may be a little while before we have these in stock in 120 volts for US or for North American customers, but we're working on it. So there we have it. Thanks for watching this shorter video than the last one, which was quite horrendous. But if you liked the video, remember to subscribe, give us the thumbs up. It's always good to see new subscribers. So thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.